Hey guys, Chef Nurse here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. On today's menu, we have golden crispy chicken wings by yours truly. These crispy wings are a hit at any party. To make it, you'll need some fresh chicken wings, cornflakes, all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, black pepper, paprika, thyme, Italian seasoning, garlic plus or garlic powder, adobo seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, and also some allspice. All right, so let's get started. We have our freshly cleaned chicken. We're adding some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning, ground black pepper, a pinch of thyme, Italian seasoning, garlic plus or garlic powder, allspice, paprika, then we dig right in and get our hands dirty. You should let this marinate overnight, but if you're in a rush, you can marinate it for at least 30 minutes. Now we get to the dry ingredients. We have our flour. I'm adding our all-purpose seasoning, paprika, Italian herb seasoning, I am going to mix all this up and then also add a little bit of black pepper. This does get a little bit messy, but it's worth it at the end. It's very important to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed together. Now we're going to go to the cornflakes. I have my mortar and pestle. I'm going to grind it and then I'll mix it with the flour. This is the consistency that I was looking for because it'll make things crispier. Now I have the 2 eggs whisked together and I'm adding just a little bit of milk. You can also substitute the milk with buttermilk, but this is just to bring the tackiness. That way the flour will adhere to the chicken. All right, so now we're in business. I'm going to add our cornflakes to our flour mixture and mix it all up. I chose to use tongs throughout this whole cooking process because I did not want to get my hands dirty. If you choose to use your hands, make sure you only dirty one hand. That way you have a free hand to do other things. Now that we have everything mixed up, the first step is to take the wings and put it in the flour. After dipping it in the flour, then we proceed to add it to the egg wash and then back into the flour again. We repeat these steps for all of the chicken wings and then we go into the frying part. Now we make sure that all of our chicken is well coated. I told you guys it would get messy. You have flour over here, flour over there, flour everywhere. As you can tell, I like my fried chicken well seasoned. For me, this is better than any KFC or Popeye's fried chicken. I love it, and my whole family does too. After repeating this process for all the chicken wings, off to the frying we go. I like to fry this for about 6 minutes each because chicken wings really do not take that long to cook. Then I just put it in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes to ensure that it's cooked thoroughly. So there we have it. Our wings are ready. These wings are so crispy, golden, and delicious and are a hit for any game night. I wish you guys were here to enjoy with me. I have some sweet and sour sauce on the side and also some barbecue sauce, but I think I'll do just fine by myself. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Please join our cooking group on Facebook. It's called What's Cooking with Chef Nurse. Thank you.